Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I have a haul. So I got these Halloween shaker molds. I didn't realize they had like these smaller little ones that you can make and put in there, which is nice. So you got Jack Skellington, and then a Tombstone, like all these little things repeat, but they're all different sizes. You got a pumpkin, and then a coffin, a ghost, which I can't wait to use, and then you got a spider, which is really cute, another ghost. I didn't realize I had two ghosts. That's cute though. And a bat. And then I got this pack of resin, which equals about 500. They put it in this bag, so that's what it looks like. And then the bag for the molds. So I can't wait to make these. When I get done making them, I'm gonna show them. Oh, some of these are actually could be used for nails because they're so tiny. Oh, I was thinking of taking some of these and flipping them around and just filling this part. So like if I took the mold and I just flipped it, and I just filled that up and just made like a big huge keychain out of it, that would be cute. And then some of these have the little face indents, so it'll work. I like the Jack Skellington one. And then the coffin one is kind of cute. Oh, I could fill in the eyeballs on the pumpkin and just pop those out. Maybe the same thing for the coffin. Oh, if I fill this one in, I could fill that in. And then the same thing for the spider. I could do the same thing for the ghost. That'd be cute. So that is it for this haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.